Hello, my name is Fred, and I'm going to be doing homework assignment 2, I believe. So I'm going to push it over here so that we can see everything. Alright, so I'm going to be describing how to use a database, how to create a schema, and how to be creating fields within that schema. So over here, as you can see, I've already got Postgres up. And then I'll come over here to databases, click New Database, and then it'll ask you to name it. So let's just name this Homework 2, nice and simple. Click OK. Oh wait, well it's not responding for some reason. Give it a minute, it'll load up. Databases are very useful because they're able to be stored between the big intranet between all databases, so they're very easy to use. Alright, here we go, so it's up. And we can open this up and come over here to schemas, new schema. Now it says we're supposed to name this schema people. So, people. Now we can do all sorts of other things with code, SQL code, privileges, and all that, but for this simple exercise, we're just going to create the name. So, we have our schema people. Open that up, and you see you have lots of different functions that you can use. However, the one we're interested in is tables. We're going to create one table, and it doesn't tell us what to name it, so we're just going to name it information to keep it simple. Information. And then we're going to go over here to columns, the column tab, and we're going to add. Now, first one we're going to add, we can see over here, is person ID. Now, this is probably going to be an integer type. We can come over here and show what else we are going to create, and I'll just create the rest of the columns here. What I'm doing is defining what these column names are, and if they have any special functions, this would be the time I'm going to do it. I'm also defining what kind of data is going to be stored there, whether it be text, numbers, currency, dates, any sort of stuff like that. So last name goes in here. It's also going to be a text. And we're going to add phone. Phone is going to be a number. So we'll just go with numeric, since it's not technically just integer, just string. And then we're going to go address 1, so add 1. Now this is going to be text, since we can input letters and numbers into a text. And then we're going to add 2 for if they have a second address. Also make that a text. Like so. And then city, state, and zip code. This is for locating people, obviously. And zip is going to be an integer. Now it'll be easy for me to manipulate the data, enter data, pull data from another place. Now additionally, when we're doing this, we can create primary keys, foreign keys. We can do all sorts of fun stuff with this. I'll just show you how to do a primary key real quick. You just go to add, you give it the name, info primary key, just like that. Just something that you can remember pretty easily. And then select the column, person ID. Person ID is typically always the primary key. There we go. Click OK. And there we have it. Now, if we want to view the information on our information table, we just go to View Data. And as you can see, these are all are the tables that we just created. Person ID, first name, last name, phone, numeric, so on and so forth. And that's how to create a schema, tables, and database.